Hey, Anna Malimon here. And today, since we're talking about money and the post is going crazy, we have so much amazing feedback. I wanted to continue the conversation and bring it to life a little bit. And so, what I want to discuss is the whole money can or cannot make you happy. The thing is, my whole reason for making that post or I just wanted to see people's, I guess, relationship with money and just their thinking behind money and share a little bit of my perspective and tell you this also that however you see money, whether it can or cannot make you happy, that's your perspective. That's all it is. It's your perspective and how you see it. And a lot of the times we either hate money or we love money or we're neutral depending on how we were raised and what our money mindset is or was. And the thing is, I don't know anyone who has money and is complaining of having a lot of money. I don't know anyone who doesn't have any money and is completely, not wishing and hoping that they did. You know what I mean? So it's like money. We have to understand that money is just a tool. Whoever you are as a person, if you're an amazing person, you're just going to be 10x amazing if you have if you have money, if you have the tool to help you bring that amazingness more out into the world and share it with others. It gives you that ability to be more generous. It gives you that ability to help others to not only get what you want, but also to be able to serve others in a better way because you have more opportunities. And you also have that opportunity to put food on your table, to eat healthier, to make your family happier, to do a lot more things than when you don't have any money. And truly believe that yes, it's a mindset thing, and we have everything we need inside of us to be happy and to be content, and we must be content and all that. And yes, it all makes sense. But in reality, if you don't have any money and you're completely broke and your current situation just sucks, and if you did get a little money or someone gave you money or some or a lot, it would make you a lot happier. And if you don't agree with that, then it's your mindset block. It's an issue that you have with your money, not because it won't make someone happy or another. And like I said in the beginning, it's all about perspective. If it's not, if it's not something that if you cannot be grateful for the little things, like if you see a penny on the floor, will you pick it up? Or is it your ego telling you, well, I'm too good for picking up a penny. It's just a penny. Why would I need a penny? But the thing is, it's money. It's still money. So, just ask yourself that question. I've never shared this story with anyone, but how I made my very first dollar in the US was when I was 9 years old and I was at the New York airport and I went to the restroom and there was a really nice lady there and we were just standing there washing hands and she said, "Hi, how are you?" Of course, at that time I spoke zero English, but I did know a poem in English. It was like a super short four line, and as a matter of fact, I probably had a really terrible accent and I don't know if she understood much of it or not. But anyway, I was just this friendly little 9 year old at that time, and when she said hi, I was like hi, and then I just started reciting the poem without her even asking me to recite it or anything like that. And then she handed me $1. Oh my, I was so excited. It was the first dollar I've ever seen in my life, and it was the first dollar I've ever touched in my life, and the first dollar I've earned in my life, right? And this is my first time coming to America, and I'm like, wow, America is so amazing. And I'll tell you what, though, we didn't keep it for long at the airport. You know how there's stores and we were sitting there for a while and we were hungry, and so I went and ran to my mom. Mom, look, I got $1. And guess what, we went and bought popcorn or something like that, so we spent it right away. But that it was just this joy, and you know how happy it made me extremely happy at that time, because as a child, it's not even about the money. I didn't want the money didn't necessarily you know it made me happy, but the money at that time, it provided me what food, that or snack that we wanted with my brother while we were spending time at the airport, waiting for our next flight. And so it's just, it can definitely make you happy. um and if you just put away the fact that that just know this, that no, it absolutely is not the only thing that makes people happy. Of course not. There's so many different factors that are entailed into our happiness, and it has to come from within, and it has to come from, different things, not tools. But those tools enhance our happiness. It enhances our abilities to do the things that we want, to be able to help others. And that's what I want to bring forward. So those of you that said no, that's your opinion, that's your perspective. For those of you that said yes, or partially yes and no, you're all right. You're all right in your own perspectives, in your mindset, the way you see things, and the way you use your money, or whatever it is. So I hope that regardless of what is going on in your life, and some reason the lights went out, but anyway, regardless of whatever is going on in your life, and however things are going for you, just know this, that it's all what you do and how you want to perceive things. And it's your world, and it's your life, so you have the responsibility of making it the best, no matter what. And whether it's I don't want to go deeper into this. I'll do that in another live. But anyway, I appreciate you watching. I'm going to stop right here, right now. If you have anything else to add, I'd love to hear it. Otherwise, I will see you on another live that I'll be doing same time next Tuesday. God bless. Have an amazing week. Be productive. Make lots of money. And stay awesome. Stay awesome.